Hello, good day. This is HR Mariposa from Sales in Marketing London. May I speak with Emmanuel Maputing Tao?
Hi. Yes, I am.
Hi, good morning, Manuel. Tell me about yourself. Emmanuel Maputing Tao. Tell me about yourself.
Thank you for your wonderful question. I'm tall, dark, and darkness. My favorite sports is basketball because I want always to shoot the ball on the ring. My favorite cartoon character is Bernardo Cartoon. And I always play basketball. Dota, anything. And I love trees, I love lights, I love skies, and I love you.
Why did you leave your last job?
Because of my sir, because he kicked me out of my way.
Why do you want to work for our company?
Because I saw the post that you are hiring.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is my weakness, and my weakness is my strength.
What question do you have for us?
Why are you questioning me?
Why do you want to work in sales?
Salesman. Salesman can sales lot, can sales car, can sales motor, can sales everything. That's a salesman. Why I want to become a salesman? Because I want to try to sell everything, everyone. What do you want to sell? I don't know, but I want to try this work.
How would you address performance issues with your employees?
Just for a second, ma'am. Can I talk in Tagalog for this last question? Okay, thank you. Ma'am, bali ganito po kasi yung nangyari nun. Naging issue nun, time na yon. Wala naman po talaga akong ginagawang maganda sa trabaho. Nagtataka nga po ako bakit lagi po nila akong pinapagalitan eh. Tapos, sabi po nun, gawin ko daw po parang bahay yung trabaho, ganun po. So, ginawa ko po, doon ako natutulog. Doon din po ako kumakain. Tapos bandang huli, pinaghalitan ako. Yan po hindi ko maintindihan eh. Then, sabi po nila, pag hindi daw po gusto doon sa isang brand, idaling ko daw po sa iba't ibang brand yung customer. So, ang ginawa ko po, nung umaga, may nag-inquire sa akin, nilibot ko po siya sa buong mall. O bumalik kami, hapon na. Tapos, pinagalitan ako, ba't ko daw po dinala ko sana? Eh, sabi po kasi niya, daling ko sa iba't ibang brand. So, ayun po ma'am, medyo hindi ko po maintindihan yung sinasabi nila kasi parang sa trabaho, parang malabo eh. Pero alam niyo ma'am, kung sakali man po napala rin ako at tanggapin niyo po ako din sa kumpanya niyo, wag po kayong mag-alala ma'am. Ito na po yung umpisa ng pagbaksak ng kumpanya niyo ma'am. Dito na po magtatapos lahat ng mga maliligayang araw niyo. Bali, pag tinanggap niyo ako ma'am, unang-una ko pong gagawin, hahanapin ko po yung kahinaan ng kumpanya natin para yung po ay aking palakasin ma'am. So, maraming salamat ma'am. Sobrang taba po, nakakataba ng puso kasi tinawagan niyo ako. Sana po matanggap ako din sa trabaho na to. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you, Emmanuel. Have a good day.